Most people get this credit card completely wrong in the first year. They sign up, expect free luxury hotel nights immediately, and then end up disappointed when the rewards don't feel as big as promised. But here's the truth no one tells you. This card can be extremely valuable in 2026 if you understand how to actually use it the right way. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the world of Hyatt credit card works, what benefits actually matter, what hidden value most beginners miss, and most importantly, whether it is really worth it for your travel style. By the end, you'll know if this card can save you hundreds or even thousands on hotel stays, or if it's just not the right fit for you. Let's start simple so there is no confusion. The world of Hyatt credit card is designed for people who stay at Hyatt hotels or want to collect hotel points for future travel. Every time you spend on the card, you earn points. Those points can be redeemed for free nights, upgrades, and special hotel experiences. Sounds easy, but here's where most people fail. They treat it like a regular cashback card, and that is where the value gets lost. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real power of this card is not everyday spending. It is the bonus categories and the free night certificates. For example, let's say someone like Alex spends on dining, travel, and Hyatt stays using this card. Instead of getting small cashback rewards, he builds points much faster and can unlock free nights at hotels that might normally cost $150 to $300 per night. But here's the problem. Not all Hyatt hotels are equal in value. Some properties give amazing redemption value, while others are much lower. This is why smart users plan their bookings in advance instead of randomly spending points. Now let's talk about the welcome bonus, because this is usually where people either win big or miss out completely. In 2026, these bonuses typically offer enough points for multiple free nights if you meet the spending requirement early. A user like John, who plans a vacation in advance, can turn that bonus into a weekend hotel stay without paying cash at all. But here's the catch. If you do not meet the spending requirement on time, you lose the biggest benefit of the card. So timing matters more than anything else. Another important feature is the annual free night certificate. This is one of the strongest reasons people keep this card long-term. Every year, you can get a free night at eligible Hyatt hotels just by holding the card. And here's where it gets interesting. Many users forget about this benefit and let it expire, which is basically leaving free money on the table. Now let's talk about who this card is actually for. If you travel occasionally and prefer budget stays, this might not be the best fit. But if you stay in hotels even a few times per year and prefer comfort, cleanliness, and consistency, this card can easily pay for itself. Especially if you use Hyatt properties in cities or vacation spots where prices are high. So is it worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you use it with a clear strategy. Earn the welcome bonus. Use points for high-value stays. And never ignore the free night certificate. That is where the real savings come from. To summarize, the world of Hyatt credit card is powerful for hotel travelers, especially those who plan ahead and maximize rewards instead of using it randomly. It is not just a spending card, it is a travel strategy tool. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your experience using hotel credit cards, and subscribe for more simple, honest breakdowns that help you save money and travel smarter.